right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the late night show. Boom! Boom, thank you. And of course, you know, my name as usual, Ogby baby, you know, O to the G to the B. Oh, you know, see, woman powerful, oh. You know, get how you want to do it. You understand? Imagine you just go, come out, just come back, say, you dey form vex. Today, everywhere, this country is terrible. See traffic everywhere, witchcraft everywhere. You can't hear that voice. You can't laugh. You know, we can manage the country. But sorry, if you're a woman out there, and right now, so they watch this show right now, don't rub your husband for head. You know, lick his ear. You will do all right. You understand? Love him up. Call him name well. If you didn't have Kingsley, take Kiki, baby. You understand? Call him the mother he is. You get? So all the whistles still as usual. My guy, my G.
It's Mr. Incredible. Incredible. The most wanted DJ. DJ Easy Beats.
Okay. You know, so why we give some people small? They all do plenty. So any which way we shall, is your moment of fame. Exactly. Okay, but as usual, we'll go first do our post things first, and from there we'll go launch the whole show. All right. So DJ Easy Beat, you ready for us?
We're good.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, our post show for the day. We died here. Mode last.
We bring it back again.
We not mode loud. Hey, we did modeling. Forget that go no comedy, music, dance, modeling. We died there. All right. On top of the show today like this, I get two very, very wonderful young men. One they do music, one they do comedy. One are idiot. I'm sorry to say, for comedy, when they call person idiot, me say person too good. You understand? See, man, idiot. Say, thank you very much. It's a compliment. Yeah, thank you. Say, man, you're crazy. You be fool. Look at that fool, oh. You're a big fool. But a good day, they call you fool just anyhow. You are best of topic. You just like one gist one here. They say one wife just look at husband. Call the husband. You are a fool. You must say, hey, me, a fool. I paid your bride price. You know, quarrel. Then you might lock up. For night, as they go to sleep. And they lock up, they sleep. Oh. The back of they touch the wife for midnight. Baby now, baby. Now the woman come shout now. Who is that fool now? The man say, I'm the fool. Not me. So at different situations and circumstances, you can be a fool and be a normal somebody. All right? So I get up my guys in the building together. All of us go run the whole package today and get better show, at least to make everybody do all right before not sleep. Okay, so Easy Beat. Can I come on? When we come back, Coco of the day things. Now, Coco number one. Bang on. Is that Japan? You used to do.
I was like, yeah, Japan. I don't know why.
You know, say, for this country, I beg, we do our best. Anything we feel do to make sure say we conserve our culture. Now, the only thing they help us now be that too.
Yes, so.
Because if they let all this foreign witchcraft mentality, you don't enter small.
You don't enter
small. But our culture and tradition
still they
hold us
small.
So we want misbehave. Because we can't hold ourselves.
Because you don't know you are composed.
You understand? So culture the bit of our
yes, composed.
So you be like our Igbo. They don't be Igbo. That cure to our craze.
Yeah,
Igbo now they crazy.
They dread the craze.
You know, we don't smoke this thing, so we are body gay children.
Yeah.
You know. But actually, for instance, Japan, one woman just wake up one day say, "Call my husband don't they cheat on me for a while now, for like 8 years." Say he don't cheat on with one particular lady. She can't say, okay, she won't charge the lady to court for psychological distress for 4 million yen.
For waiting?
For 4 million yen. I mean their money. 4 million yen.
She won't collect money on top of the matter.
For psychological, you know, say they charge person go court for unreasonable things for that side. If you
Psychological
don't wake up,
distress.
you say, you are breathing on my ear. I tell you to court for
ear breathing.
Vocal distress. And if you don't anything. This one now, she said because the woman, they give her psychological distress for 8 years. They wipe her husband. Say why? For what? And they reach court. You know what Judge got talk for court. Judge said, well, any torchlighting or wiping when the business inclined is allowed.
The judge said, no.
If the woman wipe the husband based on saying that for business things,
yes,
or there's exchange of money,
yes,
not be emotional thing,
yes,
it's allowed. I mean, I sure say that judge they do things. So he won't just do himself say, make I come up myself for the whole matter. Maybe watch it they call court and they get that kind of case to of their personality. So you always say, no, come on, it's okay.
Like both could just put on for like this.
I mean, see, as long as now business things.
Business power. Well, man, wow, you just wife somebody's husband for 8 years. Why you don't come and just marry out?
You say the woman now hostess.
Oh.
Now also they get like club. Okay. So in order for the guys, big boys, for them to they come back on that place, come the chop or come the do all right. You got to they wipe them.
Okay.
And you know as men, some men they be, maybe all of us, some men, you understand?
Some men are very...
When they give, like who did they give corn?
Corn to fowl. They
chop the until basket cover you. But actually, this one now, Judge. Anyway, that's how you all leave the gist. Okay, so quickly, we can run for the cocoa number.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
Nigeria police, back. I'll shoot you now. Our country. See, this is not one of the countries where I think say anything happen. Anything goes. Because largely, with the freestyle way.
Yeah.
I don't on TV, I don't just want Meskayat. But with the freestyle, well, I think that is one of the reasons why some people they travel come up for this country, they miss house.
Yes.
Like
those drama, you not go stand again.
If you just travel abroad, you know if you're crossroad anyhow.
No.
You understand? That's what Sheila talk one time now. Say just go, just come out, just tire. Then come back, just enter Ojota, don't crossroad. Yeah! When they look back, wait, last man will catch us. Just a fight drama. Because for this country, now police catch person, arrest somebody. For Bono, you not be so they will follow you for Bakabi. Because you can't hear that they are siren. So you pack.
They're going to tell you pack.
Where you understand? You call pack. This one now for this country. Police now, and for that they follow negotiate too. All right, sir, please calm down. All right, please put your hands behind you. They can't put all those their verse.
Yeah.
See Nigeria police. It a drag person for ground. Nigeria police. That guy said, no! You will kill me! I don't go anywhere! I will die here! If you make my back pee, I'm not going anywhere! We will die on this road! What they say, you will go prison. This guy now, what did he do now? Calling police on a drag person for road.
I tell you, everybody you're free the guy.
See those two guys in the stroll now. See people for that corner there. They all the stroll say, it's a regular.
What's in their van? Then our van you want to go put the guy.
In a van now. You want to go bundle and throw inside that place. But Nigeria police. We don't know where this one happened. Now Lagos.
Lagos bus for there.
Lagos bus. Inside Lagos it happened. But I don't know where. But inside Lagos this thing happened. But say our police supposed to do this kind of thing. What do you feel? They're supposed to do those kind of paroles, say, they arrest person at the end of the day, person don't agree on one thing. They're supposed to get how they do this thing. What they learn from these foreign guys, though. That's not even packages,
but one thing you got to know is, even our own citizens, they're deaf.
Yeah, no, we say we are wrong in a way. Now make me use the word freestyle.
I tell you, they're deaf.
I don't see where police, what police go arrest person, you just carry a stick go. That police.
You know the police. You know person they call arrest the police. Oh, come on, you don't know your work. You don't know your work.
I go arrest you. I go arrest you. I can't forget that thing. Wait till they worry you.
You don't know your work.
For shooter. For I know to talk. But so if you see drama, don't wake up on you look police are citizens. They do anyhow. All right. So cocoa number 3.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
Now finally. Very very one kind of gist. Nice one. He touched me. For instance, Ogun State, 2 hunters they be friends. Job like maybe me and you now.
No, be me.
Decide to wait now. Wait, I never talk the gist finish. Don't they say no be you? You know what I want to say? One person pick gold, they can't reach.
I know what you want. You said the story paying you. So
I don't go correct. Okay, maybe me and
yeah,
DJ Easy Beats.
No, you and me, Baba.
No. They enter bush, make they go hunt for animal.
Okay.
At the reach boy, they say, the plan say they see animal, they shoot and kill. Abi, that's what they call separate.
Yeah.
Next thing, no, one did the other side. Sikiru did the other side. Now he face another area. Just see where bush do. Now he release bullet. Pow! Now yeah, Chimo. By the time he reach there, now a guy don't buy.
Yeah.
His own guy.
Yeah.
You reach the phone, go try say make him help, make him help. In guy, he give up the ghost.
Yeah.
So now police will arrest him. They say they go arrest now. They must arrest. Say your guy. What's happen? You know your doctor say. So what's happen? Say you just look say bush shake.
They shake.
You just spray bullet enter that area. If now we never they hunt before, we go yes say okay maybe tension.
Yes.
Now make you release the bullet.
And nobody say you even confirm the animal.
And nobody say you win with police with the sorry. Sometimes bullet they come out area. You know because stray bullets. May you never experience stray bullets in your life.
Amen.
No seriously. Now one of the prayer portal they pray that year. Just person just have a bus stop.
Yeah. I tell you, nothing.
But police will arrest them. They say they go know how everything take go on top of the whole level anytime from now. But na sad story. All right. So anyhow, una feel about all the gist we don't carry give. Una let us know on Twitter at W Late Night Show. Tell us, our police supposed to behave like this. If you don't know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.